Hello, I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to the Solid Terrain Modeling GIS Data Overlay System. Solid Terrain Modeling makes physical terrain models from digital data. Here's a small 18-inch by 24-inch example of a model. You can see the terrain on the model surface there. This is of a somewhat arid area. And this is a system that we use for demonstration at trade shows. Now, the solid terrain models are physical pieces you can touch. People can gather around and look at them to understand the terrain and how that plays in an important part of the story that's trying to be told. But a lot of times there's the need to display real-time data of events that are occurring back on top of that. And for that, we have the video overlay system, and I'll enable that now. Here we'll have a series of animations and overlays of different pieces of data. Typically our projection systems are comprised of many projectors tiled together in an array over a larger model that allows for large areas to be illuminated by the projectors. The projectors are tiled together such that it's a seamless image to project the data back onto the model. And an operator can use the system from any geospatial software that can export the overlay files. We have systems available as well that are automated, so they run unattended or can be used in a museum or a visitor center, in a kiosk situation, or with push buttons so that users can push a button and a specific animation or story will be played back and told. The same as using a touch screen as well for that application. Again, the data is generated in any software package that can generate geospatial overlays. And here we'll just watch a couple of animations. This is more of a military application. These can be used for civilians, for emergency service personnel, for emergency service planning, disaster planning, recovery operations, rescue operations, search and rescue folks, firefighters for tracking assets and lines of fire, obviously for military, for training, operational purposes in the field, in command and control centers, civil engineering, monitoring dams and waterways, highway and transportation agencies, monitoring traffic flow, and areas like that. So the animation's repeating here, so I'll sign off now. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.solidterrainmodeling.com. That's SOLIDTERRAINMODELING.com.